What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today, we're going to be talking about Solana, possibly flippening Cardano. Yes, that's right. We're talking about the flippening event. And this is something that I mentioned in our previous videos, that this was kind of prone to happen. Solana is very bullish at this very moment, and we're going to dive deeper into why that is. So before we begin, guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Be sure to like that button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for these time-sensitive videos. With your support, we have almost reached 600 subscribers. Help us reach that goal, hit that subscribe button, and let's begin. So today is October 25th on a Monday. Solana right now is around $212 per Solana, up 12% in the 24 hours and up 36% in the 7-day trading period. And so if you're kind of looking at the market right now, Solana is just so bullish. It has gained much more than the other altcoins in the top 10. And why is that? Well, a lot is going on Solana right now that people are feeling very confident in its potential in this upcoming bull run for November and December. So we're going to read some articles on why that is. So in this first article, Solana hits new record high as layer 1 tokens follow Bitcoin's gains. Prices for Solana's SOL tokens hits a record high during early US trading hours on Monday, as a majority of tokens representing layer 1 blockchains followed Bitcoin, which hit its own record last week. Now, Delphi Digital told CoinDesk, crypto runs on meme ticks, so what performs well during uptrends is what everyone is looking to buy. According to decentralized finance data provider DeFi Llama, the total value locked in Solana reached an all-time high of approximately $13.91 billion, and that was today. At the time of the publication, Solana is also one of the most traded tokens on centralized exchanges. This is according to CoinGecko. And the majority of the trades have taken place on popular exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase. When Bitcoin's, this is again, Delphi Digital goes on to say, when Bitcoin momentum slows down, layer 1 tokens often outperform better than any other category. And I like this. I like that layer 1 solutions are a really sure bet, because layer 1 solutions allow people to build on their blockchain. They are the ship, while everybody else are the passengers. So you might as well ride the ship, the one that's the best. And right now, Solana's definitely rocking the boat. With Cardano lagging behind, even after smart contracts launch, there isn't so much news going in Cardano when it comes to NFTs, when it comes to DEXs. I mean, we hear about Sunday Swap, but not a lot of people are, to me, reaching out and saying, hey, you got to hear about Sunday Swap. You got to hear about all these other ones. And I'm just like, I'm not hearing that. But with Solana, I'm hearing about Radium, Serum, Orca. And we're going to dive deeper into DeFi Llama in a little bit. But just know that Solana is having so much trading volume underneath it that it is huge. And this is why people are very bullish on Solana. So let's go to DeFi Llama. So DeFi Llama is basically where all the Solana DEXs are going to be built on. And here you can also see that there are other blockchains as well. But for today, we're going to look at Solana. So Solana right now has, again, they said the total value is 13 billion. It went down just a little. Actually, yeah, it went down just a little bit. But just look at it. Ever since April, it's been growing and growing and growing from like the 500 millions, even 200 millions to now rising up to the 13 billion. So obviously there's something big going on. Saber's number 1, Radium's number 2, Serum's number 4, Orcadex is number 6, and the list goes on and on. And even Mango Markets had funding, millions of dollars in funding, and they're at currently number 17th. So that's really cool to see how much Solana is growing. I'm really great at seeing that this is going to be the future. I feel really confident in that. What are other people saying about the price? Well, Solana in price discovery mode after all-time high has just came up, and so that's really cool. It just broke its new all-time high. Solana just made a new all-time high of $218. As Sol enters price discovery mode, more upside can be expected. So price discovery mode is obviously, we don't know where it's going to go. We're all going to discover the price, from both traders to retail investors to even institutional investors as well. So Solana continues heading north after breaking all resistance levels that prevent it from achieving its upside potential given the lack of opposition ahead. The SOL token is primed for further gains. That is correct. What is stopping SOL from reaching new all-time highs? Ethereum's proof of stake is probably not going to launch until March through June next year. And Cardano's still hasn't even gotten to their governance stage yet, which is their last stage. They're still on their smart contract stage, so they have a lot to work on. So Solana's going to just eat up that market cap. The article continues. Its price action has been characterized by a series of lower highs and higher lows. That's always good. That means it's always going up, which led to the formation of a symmetrical triangle on the 12-hour chart. We're going to check that out in a little bit. If validated, further upward pressure could catapult Solana towards 250 or higher. So this is the asymmetrical triangle, and it was trading sideways going, remember, higher highs, right? Higher highs and higher lows. And it broke out of that symmetrical triangle. Now we're in price discovery mode. So we won't know what we will hit, but we're going to learn a lot together as a community. It is worth noting that speculators, this is really important, could be anticipating a bullish announcement at Solana's upcoming Breakpoint conference in early November. So keep that in mind. Early November, Breakpoint conference, Solana's going to announce something. However, if the conference fails to meet traders' expectations, a solid news event might occur, increasing the downward pressure on Solana. Now, in my own point of view, this is not financial advice, but if something were to build at Breakpoint and people are buying the rumor, obviously the price is going to go higher. Is there going to be a solid news event? I do expect some people will take their profits if Solana is going to be reaching new all-time highs, which is probably around $300 to $400 to even $500 by that time. Even though I don't know if it will reach up to that point, you never know though. If Bitcoin continues its bullish trend and we're in a super cycle, oh yeah, I'm going to see Solana hit that $500. But why there would be a sell the news event? Well, people would want to take their profits and maybe convert it to USDT in case they want to buy a dip next year, or they want to allocate those funds maybe into Ethereum or Bitcoin since they're commodities compared to the Security Exchange Commission, or invest those funds into lower altcoins to diversify their funds. So that's the only reason why I think they would sell the news. But again, I don't think the pressure of Solana is going to decrease in the next few months. Yeah, there may be a sell the news, but I think the price will hold steady and even continue to grow because, again, Solana is already in its Web 3.0 stage. And in fact, it's already past what Ethereum and Cardano are trying to be. So that's just my point of view, and I hope that's very helpful. So another great thing that I want to share with you guys is Charlie has on Twitter shared something about the market cap Solana ever since January 1st till today, and this was in 1 year. And it shows you how much money has been flowing into Solana every single month. And even today, we are at 65 billion in market cap. And with the beginning of the year to date, we've gone up 86,567%. That is crazy. And if you compare that to the stock market, that would never happen. This is why Solana is so bullish. And will this end? Well, people ask me every now and then, should I dollar cost average? Should I put money in? Is it too late? Is it too early to put funds in? And I would say it's not too late. People have been asking me, at $73, at $123, at $153, $170, should I put money in? Is it too late? Am I buying at the top? And I'm telling you right now, dollar cost average, right? If you don't feel sure, just put in a little bit here, now, and there, because it's better to put in a little bit than to not have much at all, because there's no guarantee a dip will occur anytime soon. And right now, we're already at $213 to $17 to $18, and who knows if the price is going to go higher. Now, again, not financial advice, but that's just my scenario where I'm dollar cost averaging. And I want to hold Solana because right now, these next couple months, Solana's totally going to flip, in my opinion, flip Cardano. So guys, with that said, keep this in mind, do your own research. Don't just follow my opinion, watch other YouTubers, and, make sure to do as much as you can to, protect your investment and invest safely. Again, we were not too long ago just beating XRP by just like 10 billion. Now we're up 13 billion, and we're not even that far from getting to Cardano. It just feels like it's going to happen anytime soon. And then after that, it's going to come for Ethereum. And we already see the market cap here, which would mean that this price right here would need to 5 to 10x, and that would be crazy. That means that would mark the price of Solana per Solana around $1,300. So that is crazy. So guys, with that said, did you like what I had to say? What are your thoughts on Solana flipping Cardano? Is it going to happen, or is Cardano going to hold its place? Please leave a comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts. So with that said, I want you guys to help us reach 600 subscribers. Be sure to like that button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, because I want to keep you guys updated as much as possible day to day, because again, this is all time sensitive. So help us reach 600 subscribers, and I really appreciate your support, guys. Until next time, I'll see ya.